Taking products to market in the new generative economy is extremely complex. Technologies, value networks, regulations are all interconnected and rapidly changing. Customers require more personalized experiences, and products have to be produced sustainably. To stay ahead, you must transform your business to be more innovative, more adaptable, more resilient. Powered by the 3D Experience platform, ENOVIA is a game changer, connecting people, ideas, data and processes into a single virtual universe. Manage life cycles from initial concept to experience, launch and recycle. Orchestrate activities across enterprise projects and processes for optimal change, quality, sourcing and collaboration. Gain vast insights and make better, more informed decisions by connecting virtual twins of products and processes with a virtual twin of the organization. Explore unlimited scenarios to determine ideal outcomes and generate the best possible experiences to your customers at optimized cost. Set strategies, adapt, deliver. Unleash your teams with highly efficient collaboration. Enable dynamic planning, tracking and execution. Be more responsive, eliminate silos, and boost the agility of your operations. Evaluate your designs for environmental impact from inception. Trace materials, track parts, and adhere to regulatory requirements by connecting every part of your value network. Transform your business to deliver on target, the first time, every time. The future of product lifecycle management is now. The future of innovation is ENOVIA.